best black men haircuts to try can be a challenge if you aren't sure about what new styles are out there. The top hairstyles for black men usually have a low or high fade haircut with short hair styled some way on top. But with all the latest trends in black men's hairstyles, guys have never had so many styles worth trying. If you're looking for a fresh new taper fade haircut as a black guy, this guide to the most popular and fashionable cuts and styles will help you choose a cool look. To inspire you with ideas, check out these 40 cool haircuts for black men to get this year. Fade haircuts are one of the most popular looks for black men. A fade cuts the sides and back of hair from short down to the skin. As far as the hairstyle, that can be anything from an ultra-short buzz or waves to long dreads. So what are the different types of fade haircuts for black men? A fade can be cut low, medium, or up high on the head. A drop fade curves down behind the ear while other fades cut a straighter line. Or keep an arch of hair behind the ear with temp or taper fade. There is also the bald fade and burst fade. Check out all the different fade haircuts and hairstyles for black men. Here are some of the best fade haircuts for black men. Thick, curly black hair requires a special washing routine, and certain protective hairstyles will help your curls to certainly stay in shape over time. On the other hand, trimming it super short and tightly faded is another perfectly valid option if you look for less bothersome hairstyles for black men. Both options are equally stylish and can be combined with fantastic results. Thus, watch this video to see what we are talking about. There are plenty of haircuts for black men out there, one more alluring than the other. From fade haircuts to short haircuts, from short, trimmed twists and dreads to a bountiful of rich locks, from buzz cuts to gorgeous afros, black men can have it all. Find your style and inspiration with these 40 amazing haircuts for black men. Some are meant for the classy guy, while others were born for the relaxed, casual man. Life's too short to not experiment with your hairstyle, so give these haircuts for black men a try.